Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept friend requests on Apex Legends. Now, accepting a friend request is very simple. Over here on the left, when you're in the lobby, you will get a pop-up window that says the name of the friend that is requesting, and you can either accept their friend request or reject it. Now, let me make sure that the friend that is actually sending you the request is doing it the right way, otherwise you'll never get the request to begin with. First, we'll go down to the bottom right-hand section and click on Friends, and from here we'll scroll all the way over to the left side and go to Find Friends. They will need to add you through this manner so you can be EA friends and not just simply friends through the console or platform you're playing on. It is important for gifting, and it's also important so you have a good friendship here and not necessarily just a unconnected friendship that is through the console. Now, let me show you an example of what I mean when I say an unconnected friendship, as this person right here is an Xbox friend, and so she shows up on my friends list. However, you will notice down here there's no text saying that she is an EA friend. Now, for that reason, I have her in my friends list, but that does not mean I can go ahead and gift her anything, and she cannot gift me anything. Now, what we would need to do is go ahead and add each other as Apex friends right down here. To go show you an example of what that looks like, I can go ahead and inspect one of my other friends, and you'll see that it says remove as EA friends. Once you see this, you know that you have correctly added someone as an EA friend, and you'll be able to gift them, you'll be able to invite them to join your lobby, and you will have that friend as an EA friend. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.